Welcome back to Auto Engine, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews, detailed specs, and expert insights on the world's most luxurious cars, RVs, and motorhomes. If you are passionate about automotive innovation and want to stay updated with the latest releases, this is the place to be. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated luxury motorhomes of the year, the 2026 Winnebago Horizon. This class A diesel motorhome is more than just a way to travel, it is a luxury resort on wheels that blends power, technology, and comfort in a way very few motorhomes can. The Winnebago Horizon 2026 is built on the legendary Freightliner Maxum chassis, which is well known for its strength, stability, and superior ride quality. Depending on the model you choose, you have two powerful options. The 40A model comes with a Cummins ISL 8.9-liter turbo diesel engine that produces 400 horsepower, while the larger 42Q model is equipped with a 450 horsepower version of the same engine, giving you even more power for long-distance travel or climbing steep mountain passes. Both are paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, air brakes with ABS, an engine exhaust brake, and automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, all designed to deliver a stress-free and confident driving experience. The exterior of the Horizon is sleek, aerodynamic, and undeniably premium. Large panoramic windows dominate the design and not only create a striking visual statement but also flood the interior with natural light. The paint schemes are modern and elegant, with glossy finishes that make the Horizon stand out on the road or in any luxury RV park. One of the most practical highlights is the massive 183 cubic feet of basement storage, which ensures that you never have to leave behind any of your travel essentials. Inside the Horizon, you immediately notice the sense of luxury. It feels more like stepping into a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The furnishings are crafted by Villa, known for their comfort and durability, while cabinetry is finished in modern styles and LED tube lighting enhances the sophisticated look. The living area is spacious and available in two different layouts. The 40A floor plan features 4 slide-outs, a rest-easy sofa, lounge chair, galley with island, and a large bathroom with dual vanity sinks, while the 42Q offers 3 slide-outs including a massive full-wall slide, a bath-and-a-half layout, an extendable sectional sofa, and the Glide and Dine powered dining table. Both options allow you to choose between a king or queen bed in the master suite. The Horizon's kitchen is a true highlight for anyone who loves cooking on the road. It is equipped with solid surface countertops, a high-end induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, and a residential-style refrigerator with an integrated ice and water dispenser. Storage is generous, with a well-designed pantry and cabinets that make the most of the available space. The kitchen combines elegance with practicality, allowing you to cook simple meals or prepare gourmet feasts with ease. In the bathroom, the Horizon does not compromise on comfort. The 40A gives you a large, spa-like bathroom with dual vanities, a spacious shower, and premium fixtures. The 42Q layout includes a convenient bath and a half setup so that guests have their own restroom while you still retain the privacy of the master bath. The master bedroom itself is a sanctuary with a king or queen bed option, plush bedding, ambient LED lighting, and abundant wardrobe and storage space. It is designed to be a place where you can truly rest and recharge after a long day of travel. From behind the wheel, the Horizon is equally impressive. The cockpit offers 6-way power-adjustable driver and passenger seats with lumbar support and armrests, power mirrors with defrost and integrated side view cameras, keyless entry, cruise control, and push-button start. The panoramic windshield ensures maximum visibility, and the quiet power of the Cummins diesel engine makes driving smooth and enjoyable. The one-place multiplex control center allows you to control lighting, HVAC, slide-outs, and more from one centralized system, and with smart home integration you can even manage many functions using an app. Practical utility is also built into the Horizon. Along with the massive exterior storage, you get features like an integrated generator, optional solar panels for off-grid living, automatic awnings, and even outdoor entertainment centers. These touches make the Horizon ideal not only for luxury RV parks but also for extended adventures in remote locations. Technology has been taken to the next level in this 2026 model. The multiplex wiring system is advanced yet easy to use. Entertainment systems come with satellite prep and multiple large LED TVs, and USB as well as wireless charging stations are located throughout the motorhome. This ensures that all your devices stay powered while you are on the go. One of the most reassuring features of the Winnebago Horizon is the warranty. Every model comes with a 3-year 100,000-mile carefree diesel living warranty, one of the best in the industry. This gives buyers the confidence that their investment is protected for years of travel. As for pricing, the Horizon 2026 starts at around $425,000. This positions it firmly in the luxury motorhome category, but given its level of design, performance, and comfort, many RV enthusiasts consider it worth every penny. The Horizon is ideal for full-time RVers or luxury travelers who expect the highest standard of living on the road. It competes with other high-end Class A diesel pushers such as the Newmar King Air and the Tiffin Zephyr, yet it sets itself apart with its sleek contemporary styling, flexible layouts, and smart technology integration. The 2026 Winnebago Horizon is more than just a vehicle. It is a lifestyle upgrade. With its powerful diesel engine, modern and elegant interiors, spacious floor plans, and advanced technology, it is a true leader in the world of luxury motorhomes. Whether you want to travel across the country, spend a season living full-time in an RV, or simply enjoy luxurious road trips, the Horizon is designed to deliver on every front. That wraps up today's in-depth look at the 2026 Winnebago Horizon. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, share it with fellow RV enthusiasts, and most importantly subscribe to Auto Engine for more upcoming reviews of luxury motorhomes, cars, and cutting-edge automotive technology. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.